welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Weis Waves Volume Oscillator, an advanced tool designed to analyze market volume and trends. If you're a trader looking to understand market movements better, this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the Go to the indicator section, select the period 2 and opacity 9. The Weis Waves Volume Indicator is a powerful tool for traders, helping you identify trends, spot potential reversals, and make informed trading decisions. Remember to always combine the Weis Waves Volume Indicator with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to maximize your trading success. This video is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is the Weis Waves Oscillator Indicator? Number 2. How does it work? Number 3. Key signals. Number 1. What is the Weis Waves Volume Oscillator? The Weis Waves Volume Oscillator is based on Richard D. Wyckoff's wave theory and further refined by David Weis. Purpose: it measures volume flow within price waves to identify accumulation, distribution, and trend strength. Key concept: instead of analyzing volume bar by bar, it groups volume based on price waves, up or down moves. Wave-based approach. Volume is accumulated as price progresses in one direction. When the direction changes, the volume resets and starts accumulating again. This creates a visual representation of buying and selling pressure. Number 2. How does it work? Wave formation. An up wave forms when price keeps moving higher. A down wave forms when price moves lower. Volume is summed up for each wave, showing whether buyers or sellers dominate. Volume representation. High volume in an up wave signals strong buying interest. High volume in a down wave shows strong selling pressure. Low volume might indicate a lack of conviction, leading to possible reversals. Wave transitions. When the trend shifts from up to down, or vice versa, volume resets, marking momentum changes. Use these transitions to detect trend exhaustion or breakout confirmations. Number 3. Key signals. Accumulation and distribution. Large up waves with high volume suggest accumulation. Large down waves with high volume suggest distribution. Trend continuation versus reversal. Increasing volume in successive up waves indicates trend continuation. Declining volume while price rises could warn of a reversal or weak trend. Divergence. Price making higher highs, but waves show lower volume, indicates weak momentum and possible reversal. Price making lower lows, but waves show higher volume, potential trend exhaustion. High is the highest price of the asset. Low is the lowest price of the asset. Close is the closing price of the asset. Volume is the trading volume of the asset. Boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.